Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm out working on the notch, just doing some miscellaneous stuff, trying to get ready for LS Fest here in the next week. I haven't done a video like this before. I'm not sure if you guys like it or not, so let me know what you think. We're just hanging out in the garage really, and we're just gonna do some miscellaneous things today. I wanna change the headlights. It's been bothering me. These headlights are a little dirty, a little faded. It's hard to clean, so I got some new ones here and we're gonna switch over. Just want the car to look good, you know? So as you can see, they're just a little faded. It's not as clean as they used to be, and it's kind of pain in the butt to clean, to be honest with you. Like, this one's got stuff all up inside there. I don't know what that is. It's been hit by 1,000 bugs. So we're gonna go ahead and pull these guys on out. Yeah, I got them. Had my sockets just zip tied in there. Really not the best setup, especially in front of that big old guy. The only thing that holds these headlights on are, I got 2 bolts on this side and 2 bolts on that side, or at least that's all I had. Pull this guy on out. Yeah, I think these are gonna look so much nicer. Oh yeah. More of a modern look, I guess. I like the black in there for sure. That rubber looks pretty nice right there, rather than just being like an unfinished plastic look. Oh, Motion Raceworks turn seal switch. You know where you can get those, 269motorsports.com, of course. Hey, look at that. Got some nice turn signals. Street car, baby. All right, final test. Do the headlights work? Yep, those turned out great. I got a good place for these old headlights. Right in the trash. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is hook up a new headlight switch. I've had my headlights just ran to a switch that was like zip tied to my shifter these last few weeks. I've had issues reaching the location of where I had it before while strapped in. So I'm gonna go ahead and rewire the switch. I'm actually gonna put a switch in the dash that's right in arm's width. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm thinking. So I'm thinking something just like this, something simple to where I can just, while strapped in, I can still reach. That should turn out nice, be a lot more convenient, and clean up my mess of wires hanging out right now. So this is how I had it. It was just zip tied right here, and as you can see, it's just wires hanging out. It just doesn't look very nice, so we're gonna go ahead and mount it somewhere like that, or somewhere over here in the dash, obviously. And then I'm gonna do a 2-pin quick disconnect. That way, whenever I pull the dash out, I can just unplug it from the back of the dash and don't gotta worry about actually taking the butt out of the dash or anything silly like that. So that'll make it nice and clean, and yeah, just make it pretty easy, make it look nice. All right, so knocked out today's task. Headlights are done. Mounted this new switch right here on my dash, as you can see. Bam. Lights work. Our windows. Fire system's all hooked up now. Really the only thing left for LS Fest, I'm gonna change the fluids. I'm just gonna do an entire flush. So I'm gonna do new oil, new transmission fluid, and new rear end fluid, just to play it safe. I think that's it for today's video. I appreciate you guys if you're still watching. If you did like this type of video, it's just hanging out in the garage, kind of miscellaneous stuff, big jobs. I mean, it could be a little bit of anything. Seems like I'm wrenching 3, 4, 5 days a week sometimes, so there's a lot of content I could get. So let me know if this is something that you would like me to continue doing. Thanks for watching.